Hey, Joanne here with Financial Fridays. Today we're talking about the traditional IRA. The traditional IRA you can't get from your employer. You open it up as an individual. The reason you want a traditional IRA is because it's tax deductible. The contributions that you make are tax deductible. Of course, there are rules and limitations with that, and we'll go over that now. So your contribution requirements. First, you need to ask yourself, do you have a workplace retirement plan? If you do not, all of your contributions into the traditional IRA is tax deductible. So if you do have a workplace retirement plan, then your tax deductible contributions are dependent on two things. One, how you file your taxes, and two, how much you make. And between those two, you either all to a portion to none of your contributions into your traditional IRA is tax deductible. So you want to be careful of that, because you don't want to put money in that you don't take as a tax deduction. There are too many variables to determine how much to take that you can take as a tax deduction. So I suggest going to the IRS publication 590A, which talks about the contributions, and there is the link. I will try to remember to put it in the description box of this YouTube page. So the rules, as with anything, there are rules to the contributions and to the withdrawals or distributions without getting a penalty. And as of 2019, if you're under 50, it is $6,000, and if you are over 50, it's $7,000. Keep in mind that this is for all IRAs. So if you put $6,000 into a Roth IRA, then you cannot put any into a traditional IRA. But if you only put in, say, $3,000 into your Roth IRA, you could put $3,000 into your traditional IRA. Also, although it is to the individual, so if you're a married couple, each individual has $6,000 or $7,000 to put into an IRA. But remember, it's the combined. It's not, you can't put in $6,000 to a Roth and $6,000 to a traditional, just one or the other, or a combination of the two. Okay. With the traditional IRA, you can only contribute up to 70 and a half years old. I suspect it's because you're not taking taxes. You're taking it as a tax deductible, and they're not getting their taxes. Okay, so your distribution rules. You could start taking it out at 59 and a half without penalty. You could take it out beforehand, but there is a 10% penalty, as well as you will be taxed. You must start taking it out at 70 and a half. And yeah, the amount is determined by how much you saved and your life expectancy. I'm not sure how they calculate that. That would be interesting to find out. If you know, please put it in the comments. I'd be curious. So why would you want a traditional IRA if you're going to be taxed no matter what? You may not be being taxed when you put it in, but you're getting taxed when it comes out. Well, the thought is, when you are making this big salary, contributing to your traditional IRA may actually bring you down into a lower tax bracket, and then you're not being taxed as much as when you are retire and you are no longer making that salary, and so you're in a lower tax bracket, so you're taxing less and you're getting more money back. So that's why people do the traditional IRA. Okay, so that is the traditional IRA. I hope that was helpful. Please comment below. Thank you.